Okay, so here's our final results after about, I would say, 12 hours.
Okay, you already know what it is. Osiris Lourde, I'm here. I got the vlog style, you know what I'm saying? Wild style, vlog style, you know what I'm doing. So, today, we went on a little adventure because we want to take this hat that I got at the Goodwill bins. Actually, after reviewing it, it's not in terrible shape. I mean, it's really dirty, but it's not terrible. So, what we're going to do is we're going to run to Dollar Tree. You're going to see me go into Dollar Tree, pick up a couple items. We needed to get laundry detergent. We needed to get a brush. We needed to get hairspray. Can't forget the hairspray. What else did we get? Hairspray, brush, detergent, dish soap. We were supposed to, I saw a lot of people get powdered detergent, but I didn't really find that. I believe it's just so that the OxyClean or whatever that's in the powdered detergent was good. So I just kind of ended up getting, I think, Gain or Tide with OxyClean in it. So what we're going to do first is we are going to get some water. And, well, you guys will see what we're doing. You'll see what we do. So let's get to it. Okay, guys, I hope you can hear me with this mask on. I'm going to try to talk as loud as I can. So I'm at the Dollar Tree. I'm about to go get a brush to brush the hat, some soap, a powder detergent, and I don't remember what else, but you'll see when I get it. So let's do that. So then we got some hairspray. Stay put. Let's do that. Man, this is the only brush I see right now, so we're gonna pick this one up. You know what I'm saying? I literally don't see any other brushes besides the one that I picked up. Hopefully we see some in the cleaning section, and let's see. I mean, I don't really see any. Oh, here we go. Perfect. I mean, this brush is kind of hard, but hey, let's see. Got in there. Still gonna grab this one because it's a little softer. Can't forget to get the TP though. Definitely didn't mean to get this. That back right up there. I don't see any powder detergent like I was gonna get, but let's see, the Oxy, Tide. Yeah, let's get this. Scrubby scrub. We're looking official right now, right? Yeah, that was the last scrub. This water's pretty dirty, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. It's literally like brown. Anyway, take that. This is the clean water right here. Boom. You know what I'm saying? Heat in. Don't be afraid to grab that hat, you know what I'm saying? How clean it is. Rep your team, baby. Okay, looking very beautiful. Alright, y'all. So, just kind of want to let that go. Cool. Now, while this is doing whatever, since I forgot to actually cut out the insert for this, I'm going to just sit this here and cut out the insert, and then we're going to get back to it. So really quickly, how I'm going to make the insert for the hat is I'm going to use this box I got from USPS for free. You don't specifically obviously have to use this box, but it's free. You can just walk in and take one out. So I'm going to trace along this. right here, and then I'm going to imagine a line right here, and then I'm gonna cut that up. So we're just gonna get to that. You can kind of see the wet line right here, so that's where I got that line from. I also advise on cutting two at the same time if possible. So we got our cutouts and we going back to the lab, baby, aka the bathroom. Alright, so as you guys saw, we cut out our cutout. What I did was I outlined this onto the box. As you can see, you can actually use this as a pattern too if you want to make a hat, but we're not gonna get into that. So we're gonna put this on the inside of here. See what we got here, if I can get it correctly. Boom, bring this down. Boom. Show you shape that joint how you need it to be shaped. Make sure you get it nice and seated in there. If I could get it nice and seated in there. Hold on, y'all. Bear with me, it's a struggle. Hold on, let me put these pieces down on the side. That. I mean, realistically, it can be whatever shape you want, so as long as it's stuck up against here. See how it's pressing against? So, let's say we got a pretty good shape there. Pretty good shape. Yeah. So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this. Oh, let's see it inside. That's how it looks inside. So now we're gonna take this. We're gonna take our special extra hold spray, and I'm gonna just kind of do it from afar. You can see. Bruh. See, a lot of people do their spray from that close. As you can see, I should have probably sprayed this before I even bought it. I mean, I should have looked at it, but what we gonna do is, so we don't mess it up, I'ma just take.
What is that?
That was OD, y'all. It's part of the game, y'all. Part of the game. So anyway, I'm gonna take my brush again, actually, and I'm gonna just lightly. Yeah, guys, I definitely suggest getting something that you sprayed already so that you can see how it's gonna spray. But as you can see, it's meant for hair. It's not really supposed to make your hair white, so I'm assuming that's gonna go away in the mix of things. See, it's already going away. Cool. So while I just do this, what we're gonna do next is, wow, that hat is looking very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. Look at the inside, yo. It's looking so nice, guys. I can't wait to wear this hat. It's so nice. Nice little structure too. It got a little bendy right here, but I don't really care. But yeah, guys. So we're just gonna let that dry for like 24 hours. Probably like in the AC or maybe even outside in front of my house on the steps or something. I don't know. Actually, I realized we left out a super important step just because we were so excited. Look how beautiful that hat's looking already. We need to actually stuff this hat. So we're going to put it back at the end to the tightest joint. See what it did. And again, we're just going to take this, stuff it with all those plastic that unfortunately the world gives us, and I'm gonna put that right in there. To give it a shape, nice little shape. sure it's not wrinkled because we have the spray in there. So there you go. There you go. I'm gonna sit this outside probably for 24 hours and we good to go. So where I live, it's really hot. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let it air dry for a couple hours outside, just kind of like till the sun goes down, and come back, probably put it in the AC, but I do want to let it just kind of air dry for a bit.
Okay, so here's our final results after about, I would say, 12 hours. The hat was actually dry 2-3 hours after it was left outside, but I just decided to leave it out some more. Inside to dry. We have this watermark. I don't know if that's from me potentially putting too much soap, but otherwise the hat looks pretty brand new, guys. It looks really crazy. I'm really impressed by this. So there you go, guys. It's how you can fix your hat and be fly like you hear that airplane, baby. Excuse me, I got the just woke up face, but I figured y'all want me to have this hat on so you can see. Shape look crazy, brim look crisp, you know what I'm saying? Look wavy, you know what I'm saying? Try to play me. We got that still inside. Looking icy. There you go.